Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're talking about the timestamp feature. The Messages window in Pointwise is designed to output useful information to you, the user. What gets output and how much is dependent upon you and your preferences. For example, I can see here that I've recently been assembling quilts. I've modified the entity display, and I've created and deleted a connector. I can also see where my project file was originally located. You can see that some actions have a timestamp next to them and some do not. That's because I turned off the timestamp at one point. If I want to turn the timestamp back on, I can go to Edit, Preferences. You can see I already have the text output submenu opened, and here I can choose what information is output to the Messages window. By having a check next to timestamp, I verify that each new action will have a timestamp next to it. For example, if I created another connector, I can see, hey, there's a timestamp next to the connector. I can also see it's been nearly 30 minutes since I last did anything in this file. Having a timestamp is useful because some actions in Pointwise we will tell you how long things take, things like initializing a block. But other things we don't tell you, things like assembling models or changing how an entity looks. So it's useful to have the timestamp to know when things have been done. Another quick way to turn the timestamp on or off is to right-click in the Messages window. Here you can go straight to Preferences and choose which pieces of information are output and which are not. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments or ideas for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.